all my brothers and sisters. I welcome all of you to our summer camp play final 2012 from the bottom of my heart. I also thank you for giving us your precious time by coming here tonight. All the children have been working extremely hard to present a play in front of you. This year is the first year that we have given a theme for the play. The theme is social evils. It is a difficult but important part of our society. Indian society is one of the oldest societies in the world. It has its own customs and traditions. Some of them are very old. They do not suit the modern times. Times are changing. We must also change our customs and traditions to keep pace with this time. Some of our customs are not only useless but are also obstacles in the way of social progress. In our society, there are many evils like child labor, underage marriage, female politicide, and LGBT. Men and women are the two wheels of the social car. Both of them must be equally strong and be treated equally. I hope everyone enjoys this place and take away something they have learned from them. Now, let's start the play and see how the kid has practiced and showing the plays in front of you and what we learned from this play. So let's start with first team, B Plan. Please give them a big round of applause. Before starting the play, I would like to translate in Hindi for all of the audience so you can know what is going on in this play. Name of इस प्ले का नाम है सती प्रथा. इसमें ये दिखाया गया है कि एक लड़की की शादी या लड़के की शादी एज से पहले कर दी जाती है और उसके बाद उसको जब हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाती है उसको ज़बरदस्ती जला दिया जाता है क्योंकि उस टाइम ये माना जाता था कि अगर हस्बैंड नहीं है तो वाइफ का होना भी कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है सोसाइटी में. सो प्लीज़ गिव देम अ बिग हैंड एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट वी लर्न फ्रॉम देम.
My name is Virat and my character is Shiva.
My name is Sapta, my character is Megha and the Durga Slogan.
My name is Narayan. I am the father of Durga.
My name is Arpita. My character is Durga's brother.
My name is Saya, my character is Durga.
Sati was a religious funeral practice among some Indian communities in which a recently widowed woman would have immolated herself on her husband's funeral pyre. We wrote this because it was supposed to cast away any sins the husband and committed, making him able to have after happy life. This was voluntary for the widow, but they were put under much pressure to do it and were looked upon as a
leave now?
Yes.
Knock, knock.
Subhaji, Meghaji, Namaste. Welcome. Shiva's mother, look, who is come here? Suresh and Lalita welcome them and offer some drink.
How are you?
Well, we are fine. How are you? You have come after a long time. Is there any special reason?
Oh yes, our Durga is 7 years old now. So we were thinking that Durga and Durga would get married. What do you think about this, Lalita?
Thank you so much, Meghaji. We were thinking about this yesterday. And today, we are here for this. Okay. This should do as soon as possible.
How about tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow is a good day for destination. Okay.
We should leave now or we will be late to get home.
Okay, Meghaji, that's tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Durga.
Knock, knock.
Yeah, mother and father back now.
Bring some water.
It was an awesome performance. So please give them a big hand again. Now, our small sister Janvi wants to sing a poem for all of you.